So you guys, we're doing something new. So I'm gonna tell you this is gonna be something I'm gonna create. It's called "Can You Talk Like Grace is for real?" Okay. Comment down below if you think I do talk like Grace is world. Or it's just Grace. What Bobby? What Bobby? What Bobby? And you guys should literally sound like, but Bobby, but Bobby. So you guys, they talk crazy. Hear it. Girls. Girls.
Sorry, Miss Quark.
Soy, Miss
Talking about
Quark.
something very important.
Really, really important.
Slime. Oh, let's talk about something a little bit more important. Who thinks they know the alphabet?
The alphabet.
You girls know the alphabet?
You girls know the
Yes.
alphabet.
Easy. I say it to you? Sure. Okay. A,
Okay.
B, C. That's it? What about the rest? There more? Yes, there's lots more. But some say, now I know my ABC. Oh, girls, what about the letters D, E, and F? And G, H, and I? Oh, I think I have talked to Daddy when I get home. Who wants to listen to the alphabet song?
Who wants to listen to the alphabet
Okay, now listen carefully. This is a really fun way to learn the alphabet.
Frozen, you guys. All of them are frozen. They're just frozen. They're just frozen there. Oh. They're just sitting there. And they're just rocking their heads.
Wow.
Sorry, the screen protector was kind of coming off.
Wow. Did a lot of alphabet.
There's 26 letters.
Yeah. I think I just like ABC. Well, there's 26 letters in the alphabet, but let's make it a bit easier for you. Here is the first half of the alphabet, A to M. We'll learn these first, and then we can learn the rest. Okay.
Okay. Comment down below if you think now I sound like Grace as well. Bye.